A few years ago, a group of us were noticing this large construction that was beginning to happen in the area opposite the Agara Lake. That's essentially the wetland and catchment area for Bellandur. Right? We had no idea what was happening, and so we started doing the digging, and then we found that essentially this was land that had been taken over by the KIDP, handed over to two private developers on a 100-acre land parcel. That would have meant a massive mixed-use kind of development coming up there. What that would have meant in the context, if that entire system had been allowed to come up, is that Bellandur would have been deprived of its last remaining portion of freshwater catchment. It would have placed tremendous strain on the already strained ecosystem of this particular area, and would have meant that preserving Bellandur Lake, which is by itself going to be a very difficult proposition, is going to get even more difficult. So we had to take this battle to the courts at various levels. We took this matter to the National Green Tribunal. It got moved for various reasons from the local bench in Chennai up to Delhi, and we won last year a landmark verdict from the NGT, which preserved not only that area, but also laid down new definitions of buffers, not just for water bodies, but also for the primary, secondary and tertiary drains.
All over the country?
No, its verdict is applicable right now only to Bangalore City, and it's with prospective effect, not retrospective. But nonetheless, I think it's a very important step forward because this city's preservation depends on sources of fresh water. Unlike other cities, we don't have rivers flowing through which are sources of potable water. So preserving the lakes, I think this was one very, very signal step forward. There's a long way to go. Have we won the war? No. It's one step forward in that, but I think it's one very, very good step. And we couldn't have done it without the active involvement and support of practically everybody. I think this was a joint effort of people from the Bellandur zone, people from HSR, and a team from Koramangala. So it was a team from all these areas coming together on this one initiative, which I think has really worked wonders.